I expected data quality checks to slow our pipeline down, but the opposite happened. Teams spend 80% of their data debugging time fixing issues that originated hours or days earlier. What if catching bad data at the source was faster than fixing it downstream? Implement quality gates at pipeline entry points like schema validation and statistical drift detection. If you don't fix this today, you're leaving 95% issue prevention on the table every single week. I've been helping enterprise teams optimize their data infrastructure. I've seen this exact pattern across dozens of companies, and the fix is always simpler than people think. The approach you're using now probably worked fine last year or even 6 months ago, but things have changed, and the comfortable approach is creating unseen technical debt. By the time you feel it, you're already wasting what could have been 95% prevention. I've seen teams try throwing more hardware at the problem, which is expensive. I've seen teams add more people to manage it, which is slow. I've seen teams build custom workarounds, which are fragile. None of those approaches address the root cause. The problem is that you're solving the wrong problem, not that you need a better version of what you're doing. Reframe the problem and implement quality gates at pipeline entry points to block bad data before it enters your warehouse. Once you see it this way, you don't need more resources, and you can reduce debugging time by 40%. Here's your one action step. Add schema validation at every pipeline ingestion point and reject malformed data immediately. That one step delivers 95% issue prevention. When you're ready, implement statistical checks like null rate thresholds, value range validation, and distribution drift alerts. Set freshness SLAs to alert if source data hasn't arrived within expected windows. Build a quarantine queue for borderline data to review rather than auto-reject. Start with that one step today, and then expand from there. Picture 6 months from now, your data infrastructure running smoothly with 95% issue prevention. You achieve 40% less debugging time without a massive rewrite or new budget. The effort to fix this is a sprint. The cost of not fixing it is a marathon you don't want to run. Start with that one action step right after this video and connect with me on LinkedIn if this resonated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.